Okay, Lee here. And I want to talk about ClickBank a little bit, ClickBank's marketplace, talk about gravity, how to use gravity to sort of point yourself in the direction of finding a super hot niche. And inside the report itself, at this point that you're reading, I'm talking about niches that are really, really hot because when you find a niche that's extremely that a lot of people are very, very interested in, certain aspects of weight loss, the whole get your ex back thing, and all that stuff. There's some specific sub niches of the financial world that are really hot at various times. The cool thing about this is you can get natural traffic from within YouTube itself. And if you work on the social media aspects of YouTube, you can get even more natural traffic. In other words, if the niche is hot enough, you don't have to rank in Google in order to get traffic. I mean, I've got entire channels, accounts with channels on them where that are getting hundreds of views per month, linking to affiliate offers, making me money on autopilot, and I have not sent one freaking backlink to any video at all. All I did was carefully choose the niche, create some videos, put them up there, and because people are so incredibly interested in that thing, okay, the YouTube is extremely good about keeping traffic inside of YouTube with their, suggested videos. You know how when you look at a video, you get that mosaic of videos, other videos, pictures to look at, all that stuff. YouTube's really good at that. All right. So you can, in a blisteringly hot niche, you can get a lot of traffic just from the way YouTube works and the fact that people inside of YouTube, many of them, some of them, are extremely interested in your niche. Okay. So the question is, how do you find that? Well, it's not like I can give you a spreadsheet or a mathematical formula and say, plug this in here and that in there, and it'll spit out a hot niche. Okay. It doesn't work like that. What you do is you test. But you don't just start out testing everything because most stuff's not going to qualify. You kind of get an idea about what a good niche would be. Create a new account, create a new channel inside that account, optimize it, put up a few videos, and see if you start getting traffic. Now, if you start getting natural traffic, then start leveraging some of the social media aspects of YouTube, create more videos, and then link that traffic back out to, put links in so you can take that traffic back out to your money pages and start earning some affiliate commission. So testing is really how you do this. Um, People can say that they can tell you, this niche or that niche all day long. Maybe they can. I can't. Okay, I test. So how many videos would you need to test? 5 videos, 10 videos, something like that. You can just use quick screen capture videos. You can use videos of you looking into your webcam. You can even use Creative Commons videos in YouTube's editor. Just put up some videos, get some keyword phrases for that sub niche that you're testing, make a few videos, optimize the video for that keyword phrase, test, see if you get traffic. Okay, if you do get traffic, you're good to go probably. Then you got to prove that that traffic's going to make money, and if that traffic's going to make money, once I prove that, then I just start creating massive numbers of videos and I build out that channel, and then I've got yet another asset creating more autopilot money for yours truly. But anyway, let's get some ideas. You probably already have in your head what you think a hot niche might be, and you're probably right, frankly. Uh, Look, and this is a button for something else, but that whole get your X back thing, blisteringly hot. And it's the big ones. It's the big ones that you're normally thinking about. I just clicked on health and fitness here. This is sorted naturally by popularity. Let's sort it by gravity. In case you don't entirely understand what gravity is in ClickBank, don't worry. Nobody else does either, except for the people in ClickBank, it is kind of sort of a measure of the number of affiliates who are promoting the product over a 12 week, over the last 12-week period. Uh, but it's not like, say, the gravity here is 559. It doesn't mean that there are exactly 559.79 affiliates promoting that product. There's apparently more to that gravity equation that ClickBank's not telling us. But the bottom line is, big gravity is super large. Big gravity numbers is anything over 100. A lot of people think of, a lot of ClickBank marketers look at anything over 20 as having heavy gravity. But the super huge niches, the really potentially hot niches, they're going to have big gravity numbers. So, like this thing, Venus Factor, look at what this is. This is about female fat loss. And if you click on that, you'll see a little video on their landing page, and you can look through there and get some information about it. Obviously, female fat loss is a huge issue, right? I mean, fat loss in general is a huge issue, but it's, at least in the culture that I live in, the United States, it seems to be a huger issue with women than men. Right or wrong, I don't know. I don't really care. But that's a hot niche. Okay, so if you want it now, what would you do to test that niche out to see if you're going to get, traffic easily for your YouTube videos? Now, some of you looking at this video, you bought Video Vantage, and that's some video ranking software, and you could take a niche like this and you could make some videos for some really tough keyword phrases, and you can rank using something like Video Vantage or a lot of intelligent backlinking. You can rank for stuff like that. So if you're capable of ranking for difficult keyword phrases, then go for it. Rank your videos for difficult keyword phrases. But if you really want to do it the easy way, I mean, I do that, okay? But I also do what I call the totally easy way, which is just find niches that are so hot that I get natural traffic from within YouTube, as I've explained. So again, what would you do here? You would look at this, you would look at the video, you would get a you, you would get a you know, 5-10 videos made for some keyword phrases, create a new account, you know, optimize your channel, put those videos in there, all optimize, each video optimized for a given keyword phrase, and then just get back and see if you get traffic. And if you get traffic, you're, like I said, you're good to go. Then you need to see if you can make money. So you would take something like this, okay, get your hop link. I don't link directly from YouTube to affiliate, you know, to the affiliate page, even with a cloak, okay, and I'm sure I lose some traffic doing that. I also gain a massive amount of peace of mind, because I've had YouTube accounts get flagged and closed before. It's not fun when you build up an account that's making you a few $1,000s a year, totally on autopilot, not having to do anything else to it, and then you wake up one morning, you're going to upload another video, and my bad, it's not there. That's not fun. So I'm like a little overprotective. So I link out to a page on a website that's got more information about that particular product, and then link from there to the affiliate offer. Okay, yeah, I'm going to lose some traffic with that. There are going to be a few people who don't click through that second time. It's not worth it for the peace of mind, because personally what I'm after with YouTube and this aspect of my marketing is passive income. That's all I'm after, okay? I do other things with YouTube and other aspects of my businesses, but right here what I'm talking to you about is setting up passive income streams. And I don't want to have to worry, babysit, do anything for a passive income stream. I want it to be a passive income stream. So I would rather err on the side of you know, caution, personally, just so I don't have to think about it. But anyway, that's what I need to talk to you about. Gravity, sort this, look at these. This would be a good, that's got a 500 gravity. This would be a good one to think about. Look at this 3 alpha from Mike Geary. He's the Truth About Abs guy. That's got a heavy gravity. Look at this one. Heavy gravity. I would start with these super heavy gravity things and just start creating accounts and channels, a few videos, and testing, just like I told you. That is a good way for you to get some ideas about gravity. Excuse me, get some ideas about what hot niches are. I'm going to show you another thing that's not quite as good, but it needs to be in your arsenal. Okay, I'm over here on Google Trends. You can't see it, but I'm actually logged in myself. Well, yeah, you can see my plusly thing. Um, Google Trends is good for spotting really hot niches because it will show you what's trending in the niche, like U.S. hockey. Okay, U.S. hockey is trending. Well, how would you? This is a visual search of. This is visually telling you what's trending. You can click here and go to more hot searches and see what's trending. Um, but U.S. hockey, I mean, how would you? What would you do about that? Well, you got a lot of copyright issues and stuff like that. I would personally, and I don't do anything with U.S. hockey. I just happened to land here and notice this, but this is the way I would approach the problem of leveraging the fact that U.S. hockey is so hot right now via video affiliate marketing. I would see if I could find a retailer that offered hockey paraphernalia, shirts, whatever. I live in Atlanta. We don't do hockey, okay, so I don't really know jerseys, okay, so I can't even talk about it. But I would find somebody, like I don't know if Amazon does this. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I would look there. I would find another retailer that had hockey paraphernalia for sale where I could get affiliate money for that. And I would set up an account with them, and then I would start creating videos about the paraphernalia, like hats, jerseys, whatever, and link those. Again, I'd link those videos to my site, which would have more information linked to the affiliate money page. Okay, so something like that's a good idea. This is not quite as cut and dried as looking at ClickBank because, as you can see, a lot of what trends are people's names. Okay, Daytona 500. Okay, the Daytona 500 is coming up. I think it's next weekend. Uh, you can bet Sunday I'm going to be sitting on the couch watching it, but because I like car racing. But anyway, again, find a retailer with maybe it's Amazon. I haven't really looked. Find a retailer with NASCAR stuff and start making videos about that. Link to your site, link to the NASCAR stuff. Create a nice income stream for yourself. Um, Daytona 500 and various NASCAR races is probably going to be a lot more evergreen than U.S. hockey. I don't know. Um, Curling rules. That's interesting. Curling rules. Is there an info product out there that tells you curling's where they take those stones and slide them across, ice? Um, but is there an info product out there for that? TJ Oshie, again, we're looking at hockey. He was the one in the shootout when the U.S. beat Russia, which I guess was yesterday, day before, something like that. Yeah, Daytona 500, U.S. hockey. You can look at this. You can also look at Kickstarter. That's very interesting. I don't know what that's about. I know what Kickstarter is. It's a place where you can get seed money for businesses. There may be a way to leverage that, but I would look at more hot searches. Let's see something. Yeah, I paused the video a minute so I could click around and show you what you need to be thinking about without spending a bunch of time watching me click around on stuff. Places to look here to get ideas. Is this trending now? Okay. Let me show you what that's going to do. That's going to tell you the hot searches on given days. All right, so you can look at that. That will help you out. Um, and also, if you look at this 2013 charts, these are broken down for you. I'll show you how that works. And again, there's no cut and dried way to say that, do X, Y, and Z, multiply by 2, divide by 14, and add everything up, and bingo, hot niche. There's no way to do that. Okay, you just got to kind of poke around, scratch your head. Um, Animals, okay, this is going to show you charts for animals. Um, there's a lot of info products a lot of affiliate products that you could promote for that. Um, Appetizers, that's very interesting to me. I'm not sure why we have appetizers here. Brands I'd pretty much stay away from because of copyright issues with you using a business's actual name like J.C. Penney and stuff that you're doing. Um, but anyway, you can look through here and you can get really good ideas of potentially hot niches. But again, the analysis only takes you so far. Where it really happens is when you test. Okay, when you create a new account, throw up a few videos. When we're doing the super hot niche thing, throw up a few videos, kick back, and see if you start to get traffic. Okay, especially when you start to leverage some of the social media features. And I got a video coming right after this one in the report that you'll link out to that'll show you more about leveraging social media features on YouTube.